Hello again. Until a year or two ago, well over 90% of murders and far more than 90% of sexual offences were committed by men in Britain. Lately, those figures appear to be changing, and an increasing number of women are apparently interfering with children and killing people. This, at least, is what the official figures from the Home Office suggest, but it is, of course, completely untrue. Murder and sexual offences are still almost the exclusive preserve of men. To see why the statistics are becoming weirdly distorted, it is only necessary to look at the BBC News report, to which I give a link in the description to this video. The headline reads as follows: Woman 70 in court over husband's death. We learn that this old woman is charged with killing her husband, who was also 70. I give a link to this article in the description to this video. We know at once that there is something funny going on, for the officer in charge of the investigation, Detective Chief Inspector Alex Campbell, says, "We are urging the public not to speculate." This is a bit of a giveaway because it's a phrase often used when the suspected killer is either black, Muslim or an asylum seeker. The person arrested, though, Joanna Rowland Stewart, falls into none of these categories. Joanna Rowland Stewart can be seen in the thumbnail to this video. The explanation is very simple. Joanna Rowland Stewart is a transsexual man who allegedly killed the man with whom he was living with a samurai sword. I give a couple of links to pieces about this person, including a truly ironic clip of film made in Brighton, in which Joanna Rowland Stewart explains about the importance of safe spaces. A pity that his home was not as safe as it might have been. In the event that this individual is convicted of murder, and we have of course no idea if that's likely, then the crime will be recorded as an offence committed by a woman and be added to the list of homicides which women have been responsible for. It is this which is causing crime figures to soar lately for women. The truth is that although trans people are no more likely to kill people or commit sexual offences than anybody else, they are no less likely to do so. A group of men who are now living as women will commit the same number of violent crimes and sexually motivated ones as any other group of men. In other words, they will behave like men rather than women. It's almost as though nature is telling us something here, which might perhaps be that many men have a tendency to be aggressive, and that simply dressing as women and wearing makeup and changing their names won't reduce the chances of men behaving in that way. The end result is that every year lately it appears on paper that more and more women are abusing children or killing other people.